Hello guys and welcome to MotorBeam. So we have a really special car behind the camera right now, and we have an equally special person to take us around the car. This is the Rimac Automobile's latest creation, the Concept 2, and we have none other than the man himself behind the brand, Mr. Mate Rimac, who will take us around the car today.
Hi everybody. Yeah, so this is our new car, the C2. So it's all new. Everything was developed from scratch just for this car, which is very rare, I think, in this industry. That there is, we didn't carry over anything from the previous generation. We didn't take off-the-shelf components, but everything was specifically developed for this car. It's special in several ways. Of course, performance, 1,914 horsepower, 120 kilowatt hours of battery packs for 650 kilometers of range, 1.85 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour with 1 foot rollout and so on, and 412 kilometers per hour top speed. But also spacious and lots of luxury there. Lots of aerodynamic features. So, for example, we have active flaps here in the front for the cooling systems, depending if the systems need the cooling or not. They are moving and turning, shutting off the airflow if necessary. We have flaps under the floor. We have active diffuser and active rear spoiler. We have cooling systems all around the car, depending for the components. So, for example, the front powertrain and rear powertrain have separated cooling systems. There's 8 cameras, 6 radars, 1 LiDAR, 12 ultrasonic sensors for autonomous driving. It's ready, hardware-wise, ready for level 4. Lots of processing power, so it has 72 control units and processors in there. Quite everything combined. It's not an extreme car like, let's say, the Mercedes Project 1. It's not a race car for the road. It's more of a very high performance GT car.
Alright, so I noticed that the wheels look rather special as well. Could you just give us a quick overview of what leads to this kind of a design?
Yeah, so a very important part was to get the air in the rear cooling system. So if you look here, you have an air intake here in the rear, and what's covering the air intake is like a tie, because the tie is a Croatian feature, invention, whatever. Wheels generate a big wake, aerodynamic wake, and with this covers we reduce the wake, but we still had to get the air out for cooling the brakes, which we managed to do with this. So basically it was, the whole car is designed to get the air in the rear, which is quite difficult to do.
Alright, let's have a look at the rear of the car as well.
Yeah. So here we have the active spoiler. It also acts as an air brake at high speed. Then we have the air that's coming in through the side intakes. It gets out here, and we have active diffuser in the bottom and flaps. Quite generous storage for a car like this. So this can be changed in terms of configuration. This is the configuration for racing. So you have helmets and fire extinguisher and so on, but you can configure it in different ways, or not have a storage at all and then just see the powertrain, which is quite beautiful. It's, as you can see, the usability was also important, that you can also enter easily. As you can see, part of the roof is also open together with the door, so you can easily enter and exit the car, which was very important for us.
Right. I see that the interiors look rather luxurious as well, with leather and all of that, so maybe we could have a quick look at that too.
Yes, let's try to go around. So we have 3 main screens. We have the central screen for all the multimedia. Oh, sorry. We have the cluster for, let's go from the other side. We have the cluster for the main driver related information, and there's a passenger screen so the passenger can see information relevant to the passenger. And then we have the knobs. So the most important things are controlled with physical interfaces, not through the touchscreen, so that the driver can really, do quick adjustments to the behavior of the car with real tactical feedback.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mate, for your time, and thanks a lot for showing us your beautiful creation. And I'm sure our viewers would love it.
Thanks, you're welcome.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, see you.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. That was the man behind the car himself showcasing us the car around. I hope you liked that quick walk around video. Make sure to like the video, comment down below if you have any queries about this car or any other car, and make sure you subscribe to the MotorBeam channel. Bye.